Okay. So, for starters, 300 bucks, 3 cars. So here we got the Defender. I mean, honestly, this thing looks almost brand new. I'm pretty impressed. So that's like a $160 car. The SCX 24 in the box. You can tell it's been used a little bit, and so it's got some aluminum bead locks and some Injora rock terrain tires. So $100 car plus wheels and tires. And then, so the third car, Jane said there was 2 Traxxas. So this must be a Traxxas. I don't see any Traxxas parts on here. First of all, this body's seen some better days, but it's pretty cool. It looks like it's got a carbon fiber chassis. And then it's got this Hobby Wing Fusion Pro. And then this Hexfly servo. It's got all metal links, metal steering links, high clearance links. It's got metal drive shafts. It's got these nice All-Star comp tires. Nice, that kind of worn in. I mean, this thing's awesome.